finally home. I just attended a couple of meetings today and I'm back here sa bahay and it's currently 9:30 and iidip lang ako saglit kasi tomorrow is 12:12 and kasama yung Lana PH doon. Usually kasi talagang nagpupuyat ako kapag mga ganitong big sale. So if ever the team has questions, I can answer them directly. Idip lang ako saglit and then I'll start it. We are on our way to the Lana PH headquarters right now to check on my team, kung okay lang ba sila. Kasi for sure crazy busy doon ngayon because of Lazada 12/12. I just finished errands, bank errands, and that's it. Hair update so far. I am still loving it. And I constantly put argan oil every night. Tapos ibababad ko lang siya. And then it feels soft and not stiff. Kasi usually, di ba kapag gina-color yung hair, very stiff na and very dry. So this one is not. So that's a good sign. So ayan. See you in the office. Mga hobby ko dito sa office. Say hi, Reggie.
Box connoisseur.
Say hi, Reggie.
Hello.
Hi, Likali. Hi. Where's the butiki? Where's the butiki? Oh. Hey.
Dashing through the snow in ourselves this
We had time to pick up the Bella case sa post office. Eto na naman tayo sa isang kamay na pagbukas. Oh my gosh, di ko kaya mga sis. Yeah. The supportive husband as always. Ayan, yay! I ordered yung dirty white actually. Oh wow, may personal note pa oh. New babies in the office. Ganda oh.
Oo, totoo. Ayun.
Aura.
Ganda nung...
Ay! Ay!
Ganda nung... Baka magdalawa na siya. Galing ni Reggie. Ito din. Ate girl, pakita mo naman yung
Ate
buhok
girl.
mo.
Tali natin.
Oh, wow. Gusto talaga niya.
No. Ay! Hi! Sophie! Can I see your babies? Can I see your babies? Sus! Bukas na yung eyes. Ay! Sus, eyes. Hi, baby. Hi, kid. Hello, kid. Sus. Mas naman dito. Good job, mommy. Good job, papi. Taray.
Hello. Yeah.
Anay talaga. sayaw. Good morning, guys. It's a Sunday. I was supposed to go out and meet friends and go to a mock lunch after, but unfortunately, nagkasakit si Josh, so I had to stay in and be with him. So right now, I'll be cooking and hopefully I can also turn this into a productive day. I want to declutter my closet and siguro I'll tackle mga skincare and makeup drawers muna. And I'll do it section by section. So, yeah. Edit time. Ngayon, ako naman yung masama yung pakiramdam. And hope I feel better tomorrow. I have so much things to do. Anyway, thank you so much for being with me this week, and I'll see you on the next one.